I'm cool, man.
Feels like I haven't been on stream in like forever. To the wasteland, to the highways. We'll go. And I will go.
It shows default and it's given other options. It's not showing black magic as option.
Oh, there's no sound coming out.
No, so we downloaded that, but then there's no black magic.
Then what I do is
What does this mean? Runtime error.
I just refresh it inside if you want to go black.
Then also, how do you make, because I was just checking the screen for my screen, how do you make that full screen? Because if you look at it there, it shows like that.
Oh, you must just close that.
Alright, okay.
It's pretty nice.
Chad, baby, how are you guys doing this beautiful Monday morning? We are ready to go. Sorry we are late. We had to do some normal technical repairs there, but everything is good and going. Yeah, Chad, let us know how the sound is there. Is the audio a bit loud? Are we loud? As I said, we were just trying to fix those things you guys were talking about, saying the audio was a bit funny. Then we had to set up some new stuff. As you can see, Studio 77 has had its upgrades come in, so we are ready to go. But we are going to start this off now with the main men, since it's going to get going. Start myself off to my right here with Miles. How you doing today, my brother?
All good, my brother. Feels very good to be back in office. Hope you've been well, my brother. Chad, hey. What's up, boys?
There we go, there we go. And Bonang, how are you doing, my man, the market killer?
I'm good. Good morning. Good morning. How is everyone doing this morning?
Hey, beautiful, beautiful stuff here, guys. I'm sure the team is good to go, ready to go. As I said, we are a bit late, so we are going to get right into it. So starting us off, as always, I'm going to ask Mr. Bonang over there if he doesn't mind opening up with a prayer for us.
Thank you. Let's pray. Father, We thank you for this wonderful day. Let there be light in everything that we do. May you open doors for us and open gates for us. It's a wonderful week, Father. We pray, Father, that you bless each and everyone on stream. Bless everyone viewing. Bless all our subscribers in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. Let there be light in their lives and let there be light in our lives in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. I pray. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Beautiful, beautiful stuff there, guys. All right, let's get into it. As always, I'm going to start us off with Miles, just because I know he is going to be ready to go there. But Chad, again, drop an amen. We know then if there's more than two, he is present here with us. There we go. I can actually see them coming in now. So beautiful, beautiful stuff. But Miles, then to kickstart us off, my brother, over
sure.
to you.
100%. Chad, hope you've been well. First and foremost is that we look at gold. Gold already providing me with a long setup this morning. First trade I already took with Iron 2000, played out absolutely stunning. And then we just had an alignment now for that type 3 on gold driving to the upside. So let's actually have a look at it. So looking at the candlestick anatomy, there is none. Price is sitting within the range, as we can see over here, with the resistance being over there, your support being over there. This is your range. However, overall, we are bullish. And if something I spoke about was last week, was the understanding that we need to... This mouse is looking for cheese. With the understanding that we need to retest the level. So there's your resistance, there's your break, there's your retest, grab a liquidity for price to drive. There's a high probability that we've accumulated enough volume and grabbed enough volume to drive off of this level of support. Let me actually just change the color for you guys quickly. It's not exactly how I want it. Let's make it yellow. Rejecting that level of support to break the resistance. Once you can get above resistance, I will anticipate price to make an even higher high on that daily. Then popping over to that 4 hour. Let me just get rid of this. Popping over to the 4 hour, there's resistance, there's your support. So this is the range that I'm speaking about on the daily. Okay? So here's the idea. The idea is from this level of support, it can rise to resistance, from resistance, obviously, to support. But now we formed a level at the quarter pip 3300, which is pretty much like a mid-level range for me. So what I'm going to want to see is this. For me to continue my idea of shorts, we need to close beneath the level 3300. So for me to short gold at this point is a bit tough. But the buys make a lot of sense if I'm coming from a level of support, driving up, retesting that micro level of resistance, forming it as a new support, which it already has, for price to start driving towards the next QP level 3350. So that is the idea now with the setup that I have on that 30-minute. Here you have your 30-minute range resistance, range support. We've broken out. Here's your retest, the break of the highs. That's where I would want to long. And that is the trade that I'm actually in at the moment. Full price to then long. Lined up with Iron 2000. Looks pretty nice as well, because that is also anticipating some long position. So it's nice to see them line up together. So this is the idea on gold. I have my closure above, right? I then took the trade at the break of the highs over there, with my stop loss being beneath that level of support. Iron 2000 has it somewhere down here, so obviously it's either or for you. But for me personally, I am looking about a stop loss for 60-65 pips. To target that 10 pips at TP1, we got that already. To extend to the QP level of 28 pips, that's also a target. And then overall looking at that level of 33.30. So that's my idea on gold this morning, to long the position after this confirmation I just got into that next QP level 33.50. First targeting QP, as well as then that right now resistance level there of 3300. Right. Popping over to GJ. GJ is a very similar setup for me as well. Now, GJ has been very choppy over the past couple of days, but we can obviously trade the range. GJ 30-minute being bullish. So what I want to show you is that daily starting to break away from this area over here. There's my area of consolidation. There's my break. There's my drive. There's my resistance. Okay? So the basic idea would be that if you form resistance after breaking out of this area, you'd anticipate price to pull back, grab liquidity, and then obviously continue, which it can do. But if we look now at that 4 hour, we see that the 4 hour has formed a range. There's the range there. And there's my micro range there. So micro range on the 30. Here's my macro range on the 4 hour. So let's play the range, as simple as that. Play the range from support to resistance. A simple close above current daily high, which will be the close above your 30-minute resistance, as well as you can see over there, will give you the idea that price can then long into 191,700. Can you hear me? I'm echoing. No? Yeah. So waiting to close above 191, 185, 15 or 30-minute time frame, preferably the 30-minute as we approach a London Open in the next 8 minutes. Once we can get the close above, I'm going to look for the LTA on the left-hand side, spot that, and drive us into 191,680. That's the idea for me on J. If it fails and it breaks beneath, which I highly doubt, to be honest with you, I feel like we have the volume to drive around. Reason being, we've been sizzling in this range for a hot minute. So we've been in this range for a while. We're finally out of there. We've grabbed liquidity. We can obviously see pauses in that drive, which we then see on that daily. So I'm going to look now for GJ buys above the level 191, 178. Once you close above, a simple retest, grab a liquidity, and a type 4 will then be in play to drive into 191, 680. I feel like that's a very straightforward setup. So here's a no trade range, aggressive buys, aggressive shorts. That's it from my side. Very straightforward chart work today. I'll obviously call the positions as I take them. Okay.
All right, Bonang, over to you, my brother.
All right. Thank you so much, Shat. And thank you, Miles. Thank you also, KG. All right. Let's do it this way. I'm looking at US 30 this morning. We are bullish, basically based on the mathematics. But let me just take you back on Friday trades, if I'm not mistaken. We've been looking for buys from Friday, not Friday only, but Thursday. Still holding those buys. And we see this market respecting our levels. So as we speak right now, we have taken buys there on the US 30. And today's calculated take profit is 43.41. That's our target for the day on the US 30. But I've seen a scenario where the market hasn't been able to reach our Friday and Thursday targets. So this means I'll be extending my TP all the way to 40,580. So I'll be keeping on holding and monitoring this price. Not forgetting that this market is at a resistance zone. So that's why we are seeing some strong rejections from that zone. So if I'm buying at that level, I'm buying at a minimum minimized risk. So let's see how this plays out. Basically, that's how I am on US 30 today. As for NASDAQ, we are not trading NASDAQ today, but we have been holding it as well like US 30 from Thursday, Friday, and even today. But today, there's a slightly rejection. So it's likely going to drop from where the market is currently at, but bullish momentum is still in control. We have seen 25th take profit not reached. We are seeing yesterday's TP not reached. And also today we are getting a tight sell momentum. That means our take profit has been hit. So we sold there, took profit there. There were just few points, but we got something. We're a bit aggressive, so I'm done there. I'll be still looking for buys as the day goes by, looking at how the market is going to behave like. But that's how I am on US 30, on NAS 100, sorry. On a rush to gold, on Friday I spoke about buying from this gap. So I've been buying, dipped in, bought, continued buying, kept on holding, and then somewhere this 33.44, I closed my trades, just half of the trades. So as of today, we are also seeing this market not yet reaching our target from Friday. So let's see how this market is going to be. This means the bullish momentum is continuing. I still expect that. However, I'm not adding any new trades. I'll maintain the small minimum ones, because overall, I can see a reversal which may cause this market to drop down. So if I continue buying there, I'm setting myself on a trap. So I don't want to be that individual who gets to be sliced like a chicken. So thank you so much. That's how I am today.
Perfect. All right.
Thank you, KG.
No stress, my brother. Okay, Chad. So first questions, I'm gonna be before I do my analysis. Lyndon, first off, shot for the donor, my brother. Always appreciate you. Then next up, TikTok JJ and a few other guys. Just to answer the question, with regards to Iron 2000, obviously we're not Project G members. All of those people that were waiting, keep in mind, guys, so they were waiting to deposit for Iron 2000, you guys can deposit. So TikTok JJ, as long as you've done the form, you've done those things, there's still minimum requirements. If that money isn't in the account, if your minimum requirements are not met, you will not get the indicator. It's as simple as that. So make sure the minimum requirements are met. There's going to be going out today. I know, Brian, I think you were waiting, my brother. So for example, you can fund. You will then get it soon after that. Support, as remember, guys, it was a long weekend, was public holiday, so there's a lot of Project G, there's Vault, there's all those things I need to get back to today. So it's going to be a busy one on support side. But yes, that all needs to go in today. They are going to be issuing it. So all the XM clients, the guys that did the Google forms, things from that side, again, make sure your minimum deposits are in, because then you will be getting access to Iron 2000 today. Also for the forward testing part. I'll show you guys a little bit, Jay. You can see what Iron 2000 has been up to. But also TikTok JJ, there is a video. Just go check it out on our channel. It gives you all the info on those indicators. What if you blow before getting the iron? Bro, very, very unlikely, because we've seen the results. So I do not know how you would have blown unless you're full sending it on one trade. Then again, I can't help with that, because then that is your own risk management. But if, for example, let's just have a look here. This was first thing this morning where we actually aren't using the indicator at this time of the day. Hit a stop loss, and then since then sells all the way to TP4, so you already made back that loss. Then another second sell, hit TP2. Then we had a buy, hit TP1, just shy of TP2 before the reversal. So Iron 2000 has been on it this morning. So this is what already will be going out to the guys. But yeah, as I said, make sure minimum requirements are met, because it doesn't matter if you've done the form, doesn't matter if anything else of that stuff is not done, you don't get the indicator. So if anyone needs a recap on it, go watch the video on the channel there about Iron 2000. But let's get into it now. We'll get back to those questions a little bit later for you guys. So on the daily, let's have a look here. So DXY with the pound. What am I thinking here, guys? I'm still neutral with a bit more of a bearish outlook. Obviously breaking lower, we did have that little bit of a gap fill again now. So coming back down, closing that, hold under the weekly pivot already. I think we could see a very big move to the downside. So I need to deposit. Okay, my brother, as I said, just go watch the video. All your questions will be answered there. So on the 4 hour, having a little bit of a pullback over there. The main thing for me, I think we're either going to hold around this weekly pivot before we make that final decision to either break lower or break higher. But as I said, I am leaning a bit more to a bearish side. Let's also take note, guys, it is basically month end. And then again, what does that mean? It is NFP week, baby. We have NFP on Friday, so this is going to be a bumpy ride this week. But I, as I said, am leaning to the bearish move for the dollar. Let's go over to indices and see what's happening over there. So indices, I'm also still bearish. But again, why do we have the neutral outlook? Because we are not that key area, the daily key area we've been talking about. We finally got above 8900. We really started to hold it. Now trading back over there. So on the 4 hour, the big thing is we are very, very choppy at the moment. I want to see us break back above, hold over here, and carry on. And sorry, guys, you're going to see it here. Iron 2000, we've spoke about it, adapts itself to any time frame you put it on. So if you're a day scalper, if you're a swing trader, if you whatever, it adapts itself to moves. So you're going to see different targets, different TPs, because this is nice. If you were on the 4 hour, it obviously gave the buy over there. and it's just been going since then. So again, you're gonna just see Iron 2000 working its magic. This is literally just it on, and you'll see, for example, on the 30-minute was something else, the 15, and so forth and so forth. It's just gonna continue with different stuff. All right. So what are we looking at here? Again, daily key level. That's what I want to get above for us to go bullish. When we start trading over here, Asia lows. So again, Asia lows untested. We could have the possible retest rejecting off of previous weekly highs. But if we do hold and we break back above, I'm going to look for that bullish move above daily key level and continuation for us to go bullish. Going over, I can see the indicator is lagging. Why would you say it's lagging, my brother? It works off candle closure. So whatever candle time frame you're on, if it's on a 15, for example, it will print a signal on a 15 close. So yeah, explain to me, why do you think it's lagging? Then let's go over to the daily again. US30, same thing, guys. Weekly key level, you can see our alerts are set there. That's what I want to see price get into. On the weekly, we can see weekly pivot down below us. So the same thing I was saying there. Why are we still going to stay neutral? Because we've got areas we need price to trade into first, to break those areas to then give us confirmation. So we can see the same thing as NASDAQ getting very choppy. The thing for me, guys, is when you look here, you've got lots of bodily highs over here on the 4 hour. Now, my thing is, I don't like this because this is an area where price should see volume coming in, yet we are starting to get very, very choppy. We broke above, now trying to hold it as support. So this is an area we can monitor US30 and see what it wants to do over here. You can see again, US30 caught that move on Friday, or yesterday, sorry. So we're making some money there with the members yesterday. Now waiting for the move back down. Asia lows, we're going to see what happens here. Same thing I spoke about. This is now doesn't have the weekly high like NASDAQ tested, but trading back down. So we're going to see, does this go for Asia lows for that break and hold to continue lower, or does it have the continuation to still go that bit higher to test that key level before going bearish? And then lastly with gold, we're going to see gold, we're obviously very much bullish, guys, but we are starting to see that bit of a turnaround. This is all-time highs, so we're just going to change that over there to become now previous all-time highs, and we'll mark this as our new all-time high level. So let's just mark that there for everyone, so we are on the same page. All-time high, and we can see that 3,500 on the money. Now trading back down, if this gets under that monthly R2 and again under this yearly, you know what we've been talking about, we're going to start seeing that sell-off come in. But if this starts to hold, if we get a nice break above here, this weekly pivot and go, I'll go bullish again for all-time highs. But very simply, if we fail and we come back down for these lows, the yearly resistance, and then something like that, I will start looking at those sells on this. So just be alert for that. But otherwise, for myself, I'm basically going to see what Iron 2000's got planned for us. And that is me, guys. That's everyone. And that is markets open. Ding, 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 ding. Let's go.
Round one, fight.
Okay. Let's see here, Chad. Let's answer some questions now. So if you already have trade for you, will you also get Iron 2000? That's it, my brother. You'll get it as well. If I got the trade for you, the automatic, yes. Or we'll have to find out from the form keys. Said indicator gives him different signals after close. Yeah, because it's waiting for candle closures. That's what it's based on, yeah, guys. Candle closures. Same thing we always preach. You don't enter when things are moving. You wait for candle closures. So if it's printing a certain way, it's showing you that there's potentially going to start being a trade. But if that candle, for example, let's say something stupid here, Chad. Let's just say this was the case now. Let's say this here was flashing to give you a bar, okay? This is flashing. This is your candle. Candle's busy printing. This thing's flashing. Okay, if this gives me a closure, yeah, I'm going to give you the bar signal. But if this thing all of a sudden whoop, pulls back and closes there, then yes, there won't be a bar signal. You get what I'm saying? It works off candle closure. Did they mention which time frame is the best used indicator? Might have missed it. We use it all over on different ones. I like the 1 minute. Guys have been using on the 5 minute. Guys have been using on the 15. I think we've had 2 long-term traders. They've been using on the 4 hour and the 30 minute. But I like the 1 minute. As you can see, it does give a lot more trades. So you have to be prepared. Like I say, so if you look at this morning, it's been 1 loss and then 3 TPs. So you have to work with it. You are going to get more trades, but you are obviously going to take losses. So it just depends on yourself. What do you prefer? Well, like I said, guys, if you can't sit on the charts all day 24/7, then maybe sit on a higher time frame. And the indicator only works on TradingView. Yes, TradingView only. We are going to be bringing it to MetaTrader later, but for now, TradingView only. I mentioned it. Will I also get access to Iron 2000 if I join Project G? Yes, you will. What are we doing today? Yo, Sage, that's a very we trading. So is it like a script I have to paste? No. Okay, TikTok JJ, I'm gonna answer this once for you, brother. That's it. Please go watch the video I told you to go watch. That's all I'm asking them, my brother. That's all I'm asking for you to do. It explains it very, very simply there for you. Thanks, Keys. Missed when you mentioned earlier. No problem, bro. No problem. Are these cases where the time frames show opposite signals? They could be. I'm not going to say opposite. Let's think of it this way, guys. We always talk about it. There's intra time frames. So if you look at a 4 hour, let's just say a 4 hour could be giving you, or you not even, I'm going to say give you, let's say the 4 hour, you could be in a buy already. Let's just say, for example, then the 15 or the 1 minute is going to give you a sell. And all that is in the 4 hour, you print in higher time frame. Right? Let's just talk structure. So you're going to have higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. The 1 minute, all that's catching is it's catching, you get the higher low. So it's catching that pullback in the 4 hour bigger move, if that makes sense. So they could give different signals. They definitely can. Silly potato. Alright, yeah, but yeah, things are going good. I know the project you guys are loving it already. I know quite a few guys are, if I'm actually being real. But Chad, 250 of you concurrent viewers, only 74 likes. I know you guys can get those likes up a little bit. We are just also around the corner, Chad. Come on, baby. We are shy, like just shy of that 17k mark.
Sure, almost there.
20 more subscribers, guys. 20 more, 17. Chad, if we get 17, we're going to do a giveaway for you guys.
Can definitely probably do
I'll find out from Chris what we can do for you guys, what account, but I know we can do one for you guys. Is every trade RR with a big stop loss and small TP? No. Guys, again, please, like, I just went through it, so my brother, let's just look at this here, okay? Because yeah, I don't know why people are just lazy. So there you've got a 50 pip stop loss, let's say, okay? There you did 160. So that's a 1 to 3. More than a 1 to 3. Keep in mind, so again guys, what people again are forgetting is when I say these things monitor. So for example, let's just understand this. So if you don't know, if maybe you're new, yeah, we've spoke about this thing is constantly learning, it's constantly adapting. So it doesn't print, let's say, sell and print TP4, because that's what you'll see, there's no TP4 here. What it does, and we'll see this when this prints. So for example, this here, this printed bar, it will show stop loss TP1. Then it shows TP2. Once TP1's hit, it will show TP2. Yeah. When TP2 is hit, it will show TP3. And it will so forth and so forth. So it doesn't show further on if it doesn't need to yet. Because it learns at how much momentum's coming in, how strong it's moving, the volume, and it sets the TPs according to that. So the big thing here is, think of it this way, and again, this is trade management. 1 minute, as I said, you're going to get a lot of trades. So we're trading aggressively. So when we have these small TP1s, it's almost your TP2 is actually your 1 to 1. So that way, if you look at it that way, you'll see that you're 1 to 1. TP1 is your break-even area. That's how I like to look at it. Because I'm already trading an aggressive time frame, TP1 is when I go break-even, and then carry on to TP2, which is your full one-to-one. So again, there's a lot of ways you can use it. It's personally up to you, and that is on each person to themselves. But yeah, that's for the trader to play around with. Bro, I'm not an enter partner code because you make money from my trades. How can I get the indicator then? I am not allowed to enter a partner code because you make money from my trades. What do you mean you're not allowed to enter a partner code? What are you on about, bro? Reach any discount code for Valve Funder this month.
Can you use code MFX? Or is there a discount?
With an inconsistent RR ratio can be difficult for the long run. Gator, that's what you want to say, my brother. As I said, we showed results last week, what we did on a personal account with it. Chris just passed the funded account with it. So as I said, bro, the results are there. And I mean, for example, Miles uses a bigger stop loss in his TPs and he's consistent.
Diamonds, that'll be gold on keys chart.
Sorry, yeah, guys. I don't know why the screen placement for this compared to New York. New York, you'll still be able to see mine that it is gold.
Maybe
I'll put that watermark
maybe chuck a
on.
watermark, yeah.
I hate the watermark, but I'll do it for you guys, Chad. No problem. As I said, I don't know why it works a little bit differently in this London session, but yeah.
So
No, I mean, blown on the requirements, you have to trade 3 days. No, you just need to keep trading, so you can't stop. So, for example, you can't deposit and then leave the money just in there for a month. Just means between every 3 days, you just need to at least place a trade.
we're into now.
I cannot be consistent
No.
if some losses are bigger than the winners. Think about the long run. Goto, I disagree, my brother.
Rian, I'm just testing IN 2000 today. That's pretty much on. I'll obviously call a trade that I take MFX way, but today I just want to test IN 2K and see how it goes.
Super photography, just don't see the point in it. I'm a lot more profitable in other pairs. So I've always said it, just because there's a million pairs on the market doesn't mean you have to trade a million. You trade the ones that you have your niche and you have an edge on.
Who's still on long weekend? I know a lot of people probably took leave. Because I mean, Monday was public holiday, Thursday as well. It's up and down week.
Yeah, that's the thing, guys. Go to as I said, bro, I'm not gonna carry on with it. If you have, that's your personal opinion. By all means, you have the right and you're entitled to that. That's just said. No one's forcing you to use this indicator. Then, if you don't like it, then don't use it. I just want to support the G's and buy the thing, JX80. Dylan, but that's also, but I don't see how you can't use a partner code. The name says it all. It's supposed to indicate, not dictate your success. Yeah, no one said that as well, my brother. Some people. Keys, you ever use an SMA or just the EMAs? I've looked at an SMA before. I do think there is, I want to say, ways they can help and assist. I just prefer the EMAs, but SMA isn't bad. I wouldn't say. I think depending on your trading style, you definitely could use one. None of the boys have a trade yet?
No, I'm just testing IN2K.
On my
So,
side, I'm
yeah.
running. I'm running in US30 buys.
Yeah, I'm in gold buys. IN2K dropped a gold buy on the 5, so I've taken that. Let's see how she plays out. Then I took a IN2K trade before stream as well. Played out very nice. Got TP1 and it continued to push. So for me, I'm just testing IN2K. So that's why I haven't called anything as of yet.
Nice. Yeah, guys, I'm also waiting. You guys know me, I don't trade London, so.
Ooh, Bonang's US30 running nice, eh? Running smoothly, eh, Bonang?
Yeah.
Yes,
Smoothly.
smoothly done, sir. Smoothly done.
done.
Yes.
What
sir.
would you say for the optimum smoothness? Vaseline, Ingram's, Nivea. What would you say?
This one is olive oil, anointing oil.
I got you. I like that.
Yeah.
Okay. I got
Yes.
you. Well, which olive oil would it be? The Spa brand. What did you say?
Any olive oil.
Any oil?
Any olive oil.
I got you. I got you.
Yes, sir.
But Chad, how was the weekend, boys? How was the weekend? I've had a flippin' awesome weekend. But it's good to be back in office, man. I obviously haven't seen you guys since last week Thursday. End of the month tomorrow. I think we're gonna end off with MFX boys and obviously the live stream. I think we're about a 92% win rate for the month of April. We did some damage this month, almost at 700 odd pips, absolutely killing it. So that is 6 times more than what we did last month.
Goto, we don't need to do that, my brother. We are not scamming anyone out of anything. We, as I said, we're not trying. No one's forcing you, bro. If you don't believe in it, don't use it.
We saw Miles had his tootsies in the water. You know what I was, Govindy, you know what I was so scared of, eh? There's so many people in the chat that like take shots. Like if I do something funny on stream, they'll screenshot and make like a sticker out of it. Or they'll make like a GIF or something. So when I posted that, I was like, oh my word. In my head, I can already see Tariq taking a screenshot of my feet. You guys are wild, bro. You guys are wild. But yeah, Tootsies was in the water chilling by poolside. It was a vibe.
Man's gonna start some only feet. That's gonna fund his trading account, Chad.
Hey, but we did a lack of withdrawal, boys, so you gotta enjoy it. Morning, much. Hey, Connor, what's up, my brother?
Ryan, it's entered at, so which one? We've had 3 entries this morning. So which one? I'm guessing you want to talk about the bar. The bar was at 3319.4.
Didn't you have 800 plus for April? Hey, we have an old supporter. Yeah, so last year was 780 something for April. Something like that. Yeah, something like that. Hey, you boys are remembering my journal. Yeah, you boys know me. I journal every single thing, bro. It helps me a lot in my accountability.
Let's see, Chad. Okay, we are 18 away from 17k.
Ooh, there we go. Yo, Rux, shot for that. Guys, you can go check the journal. It should be updated so far until my last trade. Yeah.
There we go, big man. Market bull there. In the
Alhamdulillah.
yeah, Ryan's currently in Jordan at the moment. Oh, it's break even now. This is the trade, yeah, at the moment. Let me just show it to you. This is the trade they are in on gold.
April is your month. Jock?
So technically they wouldn't actually be in it because TP1 they would have been break even. So the guys were break even here already.
So what I did, I took a 1 minute buy on that gold and that smacked my TP. That was awesome. And then I took a 5 minute buy. So that is, we're still running in the trade. The trade's coming back to BE now, so it's all good.
Oh, the 5. Okay,
Yeah.
then now I see the trade you guys took.
Yeah,
Right. Yeah, the 1 minute, that's what I was watching. That's break even.
Jade, you gotta be patient though. Like I know you guys have a lot of questions and stuff, but just be patient. You'll see everything like unfold in front of you. Mashallah. Yeah, but as I was saying, I don't like to say that this is my month or stuff like that. I just run it. But if I do go into the past 5 years of my history, it just happens to be that from April onwards, we milk the markets like it's nobody's business. And it's not a me thing. I just think it's because the market cycle is there where it provides us with the liquidity to trade. It's nothing to do with me or even my strategy. The volume's there. I take advantage of it and I adapt. So it just happens to be every year, April, we absolutely slaughter it. And then onwards, So I think it's just about being, not saying it's yourself, but more so understanding the conditions that you're trading. Then just to quickly, if you can just pan to my screen, Kiki boy.
No problem.
Obviously, I'm in the IN 2000 trade, but the MFX strat is now lining up for your type 2. So there's your resistance, there's your drive, here's your pullback. This candle to close above that level, you'll have then a setup like this, where you take it on the next candle. You then have your, in this case, it's going to be a little bit bigger, so 50 pip stop to then target your core tip up over there for 46 pips. That would be the idea. So for my MFX members out there and the guys that's in the Zoom, closure above this candle, just to let you know, this is not financial advice. This is purely just education, the way I trade, and all that jazz. So this engulfing candle to close like this. Then the next candle to simply open up, grab liquidity and start flipping. That would be the buy that we would take according to the MFX strategy. So waiting for that for the next 7 minutes. If that lines up, I'll take that obviously on my MFX account. But yeah, boys, that's the idea that I have. But at the moment, just forward testing IN 2000, looking good. So yeah, Rian, I think that answers your question where I would take it. That's where I would take it. Wait for this candle to close. Next candle, bottom wick, break of the high, boom. Dan sal ek hom vat. Please send me your MFX link, please. You're making a fool out of the markets. The journal or my mentorship program? Mentorship program, you can just check me on IG. You can check the link in my bio. I personally didn't trade yesterday, but my members did, and obviously we have a community, so they were just posting their results. The boys absolutely killing yesterday, and it's a proud moment for me, man, to see how these guys are slaughtering it. Miles, do you know Trading Sharp? His trading style reminds me a lot of yours. I don't actually know him, but I've definitely heard the name. Remember, guys, I trade basic, man. I don't use any algos or indicators or whatever. I simply just use price action, market structure, and supply and demand. Then obviously a derivative of my understanding of that has then provided me with the 5 entries that I use in my day-to-day trading. So you would possibly see a lot of traders trade similar, but that's just because I trade the basic price action. But obviously it won't be exact because my 5 ways of entry I've made up in my corp myself. So
Bro, that was still the funniest thing. Chad, we go, we see another guy trade.
Oh, bro.
We see this other guy trade. And I'm like, Miles, you must see this guy, bro. He trades just like you. And we're watching this, and he's like, yeah, no. Like, plain charts, plain everything. He's just like, yeah,
bro,
trading
this.
This
is
sick,
fire, dude.
And then turns around, and the guy's like, yo, all right, team. That was a type 2 entry. And Miles looks at us. He's like,
I was like,
what
did he just say? Bro, guys, I'm not gonna lie. I met this other dude the weekend. We were go-kart, and I met him. He was like, yo, no, I take signals from this other bra, whatever. And I'm like, what's his name? And I'm like, gee, yo. I know this, bro. I taught him how to trade. But he's buying signals from this other guy. I'm like, bro, you guys are wild.
Literally.
Yeah, but it's the same guy I'm talking about.
Beautifully done there. Master volume on US30. Let's see what's happening.
What?
That's a good push.
There we go, team.
That's a good push.
That's nice. Well done, Bonang.
Thank you, sir. No drawdown at all. 0 drawdown.
This guy also
And
had
usually I tell people that this is a winning trade already. This is H1, and you can't tell me that you don't know how to break even. You can't tell me that you don't know how to even collect.
Yeah.
But obviously, take profit has always been a surety here. But I mean, this kind of powerful movement to the up like that, you leave the money and then the market deals with you.
Some power there.
Somehow. Yeah. So you would rather move your stop loss to entry and sit there relaxed without any stress. That's a winning trade.
Well
That's
done,
a
brother.
W.
Well
I'm
done.
expecting the chart to drop those W's.
Chat, let's get some
so
W's
that-
in the chat for Bonang. Absolutely
Yeah.
slaughtering US30 over there.
Yes.
Chad, I just want to show you guys quickly, just because literally what Bonang is on now. So IN 2000 wants to give a signal here. Now it hasn't given the signal yet. It's getting ready to. And why I say that is watch here. Check how it's moving with the trade. You see that? That's what I'm talking about. So it's moving, and with it, because it's still basing on how this candle is going to close.
So let's clarify that we have to wait for the candle close.
Candle has to close.
Get the candle close, you'll get your criteria. You'll only see
Go.
TP2 after TP1 is
was
smacked.
hit. You see that? There's no TP2 like you see on the other ones. TP1 has to be hit first. But you see, that's what I was talking about, Chad. It adapts. It's moving with it. Because once this candle prints, I'm on a 5 minute. So once this 5 closes, it will then give it to you.
Yeah.
Was this a buy or wasn't it a buy? So when I saw this now, I just had to explain that to the guys.
Perfect. That's
Chad-
massive. That's massive.
The thing is, like, obviously we stream on YouTube, so I'm exposing myself every day. If you understand, I'm giving away my strategy every day. So someone's going to copy it. People have done it. It's normal. There's nothing we can do about it.
Yeah.
I'm not really phased. My main thing is that without him realizing, that just means I'm touching more lives. He's just passing on the bread. So I honestly don't mind. As long as
I was
everybody
about-
eats, everybody wins, we're happy. You
I
know?
was about to say that you have changed lives somehow. If you see people copying what you are doing, that's a very positive impact.
Brian, no, there's actually a green screen behind me, dude.
So Brian, if I'm going to be honest with you, so what we did there is it is actually a white hex wall. So you guys will know, obviously, the preparation for this was we first painted the wall black, hence making the black in between it. And then it was just all white hexagon that was put on there. And then obviously with the white, when we put the light on it now, it obviously becomes whatever color we want it to be. So yeah, it's not actually blue, it's white, but yeah, it came out nicely. So it's actually half. So you'll see when we do some of the videos, you'll see half of it, but the wall is like diagonally cut. So you have the paneling till halfway, and then it turns into the astroturf on the wall.
How do you deal with let's say you are trading like this KG, and as you are doing what you are doing there, and there's a person who still doesn't believe that what you are doing is working, how do you deal with such people?
I ignore them, bro. I've never met a hater that's doing better than me.
Yeah. Imagine.
Bro, nah, jokes aside. So
Oh shit!
jokes aside,
Oh shit!
last year going into this year, a lot of guys used to just make the comments. Their biggest thing about me was, okay, but he still lives at home with his mom. And that was always a thing of, that was a choice, not a thing of I had to be. And very quickly people got quieted when I said, cool, we were just waiting for things to fall into the right place. Now I can go buy cars. I live in an estate. I do all these things now. Now what do people have to say? They still want to tell me it doesn't work. It's still because when I can see how my life leveled up, when I can stick to what I said I was doing, but they still in the same situation, people don't. Just because I'm not flexing money and showing my bank statement of what I'm making a month doesn't mean we aren't profitable, doesn't mean we're not doing those things.
For sure.
So we kind of, Chris and myself agreed, we're staying in our lane now. We're going to focus on ourselves. But when you're in this game, bro, if I've learned anything, and I think again it comes to the guys, we've made a lot of, I want to say, international connections. So not this toxic South African industry, but the international guys. And they've shown us, bro, in this game, you don't have to prove anything to anyone.
Yeah, true.
It's your journey, you walking with the markets.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Yeah, because I mean, if a person is to think very deep, how would you wake up every day in the morning to do something that doesn't work?
Yeah. Boy, what's this man gonna come show me now? If I was gave the deposit, I'd tell them to fly. Mason Master, okay. Yeah, guys, didn't mean to come off that way, but yeah, you guys know what I'm saying.
Just let the boys know. Vegan. The keys.
Is it out already?
Nah, it's ready. But
So we have the
just type it there.
where the next version, I'm not gonna say the next version, a completely different indicator. It's called the key gun indicator. Which it's basically it's for those machine gunners out there that wanna.
This thing prints signals like.
This thing's gonna give you signals all day. 1 + 1 = TP. There we go. Haters is just background noise. You guys are proving it every day here on stream. The only people who flaunt it are influencers, who are scammers and not traders. SA people believe scammers who's flashy. Keeks is right. Yeah. Honestly, for me, this month was my biggest loser month. Hey, my brother, I'm sorry to hear that. Hopefully, maybe we can help turn it around with Iron 2000 for you. Also, just turn around your trading in general. But in saying that, there is months it's going to be losers. That's part of the trading journey. We're not always going to have these amazing months. Here comes the giveaway. Oh, are we close? Some extra, but nothing we can't handle.
But what about?
The indicator.
Really? What did I say?
It's just stupid things like we must put up basically a journal. We must show it, and how can you be profitable if you have a bigger stop loss and a TP and. Okay, Chad, you're 16 away from 17k. $17, 260 at the moment, guys. Please drop a like, subscribe if you haven't yet. We would really appreciate it. As you said, 16 away from 17,000 subscribers. If we hit that mark, we will do a giveaway. Now that I actually have the man here, I'll ask him now, Chad.
Beautiful stuff.
Oh, Bonang's TP incoming, yeah, Chad.
Pushing very well.
Bags are on their way.
Very well. Those are market maker moves, yeah?
Does it kind of fun? No, my brother. That does not count.
Vir 50 randjie vir almal. Hier's 'n 50 randjie vir jou.
Bonang, my good sir, may you kindly share the formula to calculate TP. Unfortunately, you just have to pay me for that. Very expensive.
All right. Connor, the question is, why is your granny sister's auntie already not subscribed? But all right, Chad, I've got some good news here for you. The big man has said we're going to do 10 5k account giveaways.
Jeez.
At 17. We'll do 5
Beautiful.
in London session and 5 in New York session. That's if you guys get it there now.
It's not a type 5 on 15. The thing with that is there's too much support holding here, so that's why I'm not keen on that shorts on gold. You can see this area holding very nice over here, so I'm not too keen on that.
Bonang, was this your first strategy or you've tried other strategies? If you remember when I started the stream, I said I've done almost everything and it didn't work for me. So until I found this treasure here.
Anytime, Rian.
This one is a prophetic strategy, man. It's a hidden treasure.
There we go.
Yeah.
Which one? No, I'm saying, but same Coinbase. Yeah.
Are you saying there's one setup or did we?
It needs olive oil, this strategy.
So just have a look at this here quickly. Chris has officially become a Bitcoin trader. We just want to show you guys here. Let's have a look here together. Iron 2000, just milking it now. You guys can see this. So first we actually had a nice buy over there. Buys, another buy, sells, TP, buys, TP, sell, TP, buy, TP, sell, TP, buy, TP, buy, TP. Chris is officially becoming a Bitcoin trader.
Did that guy remove the aircon?
The thing I removed is,
It's moist in here, bro.
Welcome to the 2Gs on smooth trades. We specialize smooth trades. Always, guys.
There we go.
Yes, always. Stop wasting your time. Subscribe and view here. You are going to enjoy the smoothness. It's just like a private jet that is taking off. That's what is happening on 2Gs. Have you ever been on airport and that take off? That's how we do it. That's how we do it.
Hey.
Monday to Friday, no hesitation.
The alert function is not active on IN2K. So
You are not. Is it?
Yeah, they can put alerts on
Oh, damn, Chad. Okay, so alerts is now active on Iron 2000. So you don't even need to watch the stream anymore. I mean, don't you? We want you guys here. But for those of you that aren't and are part of it, you will be alerted for it now. So when Iron 2000 will give a signal. So for example, when the streams are done and you're having your coffee at lunchtime, if it prints a buy or sell, it's going to let you know, hey, listen, 5-minute gold, there's a buy for you.
Oh, we just choke this song, bro. Nothing happening so far on GJ. No gold even, no volume.
Alright, let's go here quickly. Okay, team, we've got that live count on. We need 10 more.
honestly looks like he has that filter on.
Right.
Green
It
screen.
literally looks like the filter.
For me, it looks like I'm like in this aquatic zoo, just swimming. That's my vibes. Keys on a golf course.
Right, it looks like a filter. Like,
But-
I don't know if you've done, I think it's on Zoom, you can add like filters down.
Yeah, the Zoom calls.
Bonangi's in the penthouse.
Okay, Chad, that's 8 more, baby. 8 more.
Watch how we get to 70k, then people just start unsubscribing to be trolls.
280 of you, yeah, Chad. Come on, you guys can get us there. Oh, Chad, we are so close, baby. We are so close. We need 6 more.
Savannah.
6 more. We can get there, Chad. Then we are giving away 10 5k accounts, 5 in our London session, 5 in the New York session. It is around the corner.
Mashallah.
Play the Cube Keegs. Hey. Oh, Chad. Now the people are playing games here.
Guys, if we... I knew that was going to happen. I knew it.
They always do it.
I knew
bro.
that shit.
They always do it.
Here's the thing, Chad.
Hey, Nazam, shot for the dono, brother. Let's get to 17k, Chad.
If we do 17k, Chris is going to get us all Quasizas. And we want Quasizas.
5 more, baby. 5 more. Oh. Man, these guys, they want to play games now.
Salama salakum.
Come on, Chad. We are so close, baby.
Can't do that, but
It's up and down. What's happening?
we gotta
Yeah.
get your mocap right.
This is those haters, Chad. They want to play games here with us.
It's
What was wrong with what you feel last night?
What did I say?
The zombie was this man hit me with the, I think Salaikum Salamba.
So like,
I'm like, bro, no. I'm like, no. There's no it was all serious.
hey, Roche, 350 rand in the donos. 70k incoming.
Here we go.
Shot, my brother.
Salaikum Salamba.
3 more, Chad. 2 more.
2 more, boys.
Trade first before I can get the email. Yeah, you have to meet the minimum requirements. You have to do a deposit. No, you don't have to trade, but you just have to have the minimum requirements there. Oh, yeah, they're currently. Sorry, you don't have to make a trade. Just deposit. Then you can wait till you get it and then trade. You don't have to trade once you've deposited. Yeah, no, you guys don't have to.
You have to be active in the 3 days.
Chad, look at this. Literally, we were 2 away, and then the guy started.
How long is your video, bro?
Right. This is that influencer stuff that you don't see, Chad.
The man has been sitting there with his video running.
2 more, bro. If we, where are these trolls at?
I knew this would happen. They like to do this.
Hey, Rix. 1 more, baby. 1 more.
Watch.
70k, baby. Let's go,
Beautiful.
baby. Well done, Chad. You guys are
Beautiful.
incredible. Of course, screw you guys. I saw 17k. You guys, you little trolls. I saw 17k. That W's, Chad. We absolutely love you guys. It's been a journey. 17k. What is incredible. That is incredible stuff.
Alhamdulillah.
There we go. Just keep that momentum, Chad. Just there you go. Just see that thing
Ooh,
climb.
there she's climbing. Oh,
There she's just going.
that trade is running.
She's
TP, go.
going. There we go, Chad. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Oh, we absolutely love it. Look at that. You got TPs running. 17k. Beautiful, beautiful stuff, Chad. Let's see, Chad.
Let him cook now.
Yes, a different song. This is Let Boys, a different song.
Oh. Well, I was saying during the week that don't trade against the 2Gs. You are going to cry.
Hey. David 78 feels more like the other day. We were fighting for 10k. Literally, bro. It is crazy. The OG song. Spam the peaches. Chad, you guys all know. If you were around, if you are an OG, you know what the peaches are. Nah, absolutely love you guys. So, alright, Chad, remember we're going to be doing a giveaway 10 5k Vault funded accounts. We're going to do 5 now for London, and then we're going to do 5 in New York. So make sure you still stick around. We're going to do it very shortly. And as I say, make sure you're there for New York session if you don't win now. Alright, Chris, guys, Chris, being all wise over here in the back. There's a proposition for you guys. We are at 187 likes. If we get that also up to 200 likes, we're going to do extra 5 giveaways now in London. So it'll be 10 5k account giveaways in London, 5 in New York session. 13 more likes, and there'll be an extra 5 accounts.
Just to interrupt Keegan there, boys. MFX Strategies activated me 3320.21 entry TP1 3322, stop loss 57 pips. Overall TP is going to be that quarter pip over there. So let's see how she goes. This is the entry over there. There's my stop. There's TP1. There's TP2. Let's see how the MFX way does.
Miles looking like he's in an aquarium. There we go. And Miles is busy watching the fishies there. Swimming with the sharks.
Swimming in the profits, boys. Gold running absolutely stunning. Let's see if she can push. So obviously here you got iron. And I just want to show you guys there what's happening. TP1 incoming for gold. Can she pump? TP1 is 20 pips today. I feel like she can drive even more because we have the liquidity after that stall. So I want that 20 pip bag and then continuation over there. Right. Mashallah.
Hey, been here since 7K subs. Hey, chat is crazy. Some of you guys have been here for the journey. Some of you joined us halfway. Some of you guys are newbies.
Wait,
This
Chad.
makes me want to win trades. It is the anthem of 2G's trading. The coup.
Why is everybody looking at my toes, bro?
Been an awesome journey joining with the 2Gs. Been here since the beginning, Jex. I know you have. I know a lot of you guys were here from the first, I would say first 200. Geeks do the algorithm. That's when you know you're an OG. That's when you know. You know that person's been here. Yeah. And we don't trade anything else but STC, guys. Yes, these geeks. We have 204 now. There you go, chat. So we're going to be doing 10 or 5K account giveaways for you guys.
Stunning stuff.
Beautiful, beautiful stuff there from the coop. Always good seeing them make a performance.
Knick-knack toes. Gaan aan. Wie se knick-knack toes? Ek het mooi voete, wat sê jy?
Watching from Namibia for the past month, every morning, afternoon. You guys are great. Keep up the education. Really appreciate it. I came in late just before 8K and watching the growth has been inspiring.
Chris is our blesser. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like, Chris is sitting behind us right now, like a blesser in the club with like 2 girls. Here's the bottle on the table.
Olive oil toast.
Okay. Chad got jokes today.
Oh, that's 70K shot, Kyle.
I made sure I blur those toes in the water, bro, and moved it fast. Because I know there's people out
Yeah, be quick there, bro.
There's people look at everything.
Miles had the dogs out.
Hey.
Geeks, how do you set up alerts on Iron 2000? I think it's just automatic. Yeah, bro. Alert. Yeah.
Oh, look at that kicks.
Notification.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, hold on, Chad. Just open it. We're not straight running there quickly. Let me just.
Yeah, he's very smooth. I'm risking.
We are cruising nicely.
Only smoothness, no roughness.
Sometimes it becomes unbelievable. I think I have got students that will be like, nah, it's like a dream, this thing. What is happening here? I was looking for a Kenji. I didn't enter. Blah blah blah. All those kind of things. You must always listen to what I say.
It seems like we got TPs all around.
Yeah,
Pop
we're
over
moving.
there.
Yo.
That's
I can't
TP
even-
smacked on gold.
It's just TPs.
Let's
everywhere,
go,
Chad.
baby.
TPs
There we go,
everywhere.
TP
You
smacked
get a TP,
on
You
gold.
get a TP.
Yeah, we're
Beautiful
out of here. We're out of here, boys. What is that? It's a good day, guys. I'm gonna close full position right there. Okay. There we go. There's a lot going on.
Alert. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Alright, Chad, just see that there quickly.
Who caught that? Stunning. Beautiful gold bars. This way, baby. Who caught that? Okay, I was skittering though.
Alright, okay, guys, just quickly back to that. There was just a little bit of a technical issue there. Chris is gonna make a video for the guys how to. He's just gonna make a video. We're having some technical difficulties, and there's a lot going on here. So yeah, we've been overstimulated here, guys. We're knowing straight also on the way there to TP, about to be hit. But yeah, guys, so we'll make a video for you guys how to set the notifications. We need more Oprah moments. The office being winning in 2025, beautiful. TP just hit on gold. Thanks for the guidance, guys. Absolute pleasure.
Smoothly done. Gold. Beautiful stuff.
Gold's been hit. 90,000 delivering. We're 9 killing US 30. It's been wild, Chad. Check, Chad. We found a bull in the aquarium. You get a TP. You all get a TP.
How does Miles actually, bro, how does he stream like this? Bro, how do you guys stream like this? 1 2 1 2. Quickly give me a little bit more there in the headset. 1 2 1 2 1 2. I think so. Go 1 2 1 2 1 2. Is a number 2. Quickly put it down. Number 2 all the way down. 1 2 1 2. No, it's not number 2. Then it's, I think, go try. 1 2 1 2. Turn it all the way down. 1 2. It's not that one either. Let's try 3. Turn it all the way down. There. That's one. Go. 1 2. A little bit more. 1 2. Yeah, perfect. All right. Bonang, we're gonna make a T-shirt. Only smoothness, no roughness.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate that.
We gotta eliminate all of that roughness.
Yes, sir.
Cody Matisse, brother, no, you don't need to open a trade. Just deposit, then wait for the emails, all that to come through, the welcome pack, everything. Once you have it, then you just need to make a trade every 3 days. Once you have it, not before.
Yeah, Chad, sorry, man. I think you guys missed the 3 day. It's just in order for you guys to be active. It's not that you have to trade 3 days. You literally just have to take one trade in a 3 day span. It's just to eliminate guys getting the indicator, depositing, holding the funds there, and trading somewhere else. The indicator is free. We do get a single digit kickback on the volume, but nothing to write home about at this stage. But ultimately, that is the idea.
Yeah. And then there you guys have it. There's Stove alerts working awesome. We need Bonang's olive oil. I already deposited, but I haven't got any email. Can't even teach my
We're
brother.
busy today with
We
it
are
again.
busy again. I don't know if you came late, but I kept answering these questions about 100 times already today. It was a long weekend. There were public holidays, all of it. So our support is on everything this morning.
Guys, so how it works is I just want to let you guys know. So every morning we send a list of clients that have registered. There's over 700 of you, and then XM basically works through that list. They send it back to us, and we then add the guys. So there's a little bit of manual intervention currently. In the next week or two, there'll be API set that will actually automate all of it. So just bear with us. You are missing out, but not too much. It's not like we're going anywhere.
Yeah. Miles' feet trending.
Why is Miles' feet trending?
We're gonna make a video for you, my brother. But yeah, we'll make a video. Love the honesty, gents. 100%. Yeah, Chad. I don't know. I think all the guys are Bonang's pipettes away from TP. Miles hit TP. I'm hanging out here for the vibes. So you can also use Excel, Chris. Keeks, I think I got it sorted. Okay, perfect. Yeah, it's in that alerts.
We
thing.
are using Excel, guys. If you know how much I love Excel, you can ask the guys.
That's
Everything is
Chris's like freaky time. Is
everything is on Excel. Everything is on Excel.
What do you use the link information for? You said to XM, and what do they have on their system? It's to track the customers. We're eagerly waiting for those 5k accounts. Hey, we can get them all going then. Just filters, or let me get Nightbot up and running here, guys.
All right, 2 minutes to the new Kangley opening. Let's see how that moves.
All right, Chad. I'll see you a little bit later. I'm gonna get back to work. You guys are in very good hands. Bonang, good to see you, my brother.
Thank you, sir.
We'll
Thank
chat
you.
a little bit later. Looking smooth and dapper as always.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Chad, thank you so much for all the support. I'll see you guys a little bit later. Cheers.
Alright. Team Nightbot has entered the building.
Tag team.
Alright.
So hold on, I need to adjust this headset. Chris has 2 copper here.
Alright, Chad. Okay, so keep in mind, guys, for those that don't know, we're going to do the random number generator. Now, how does this work? Firstly, we choose a range. First step, actually, it is going to go to channel members. So you have to be subscribed. If you're not subscribed, you unfortunately will not be valid to enter. So make sure you're subscribed. And then the next step, we're going to choose a range. So we're going to do this 10 times. We're going to choose a range. Example 1 to 100. That will be the range. Then you guys guess a number between that. Nightbot will select the winner. It chooses the number randomly, so I don't choose the number. It chooses what that number is in the range, and then it will pull it up. So I'll pull it up, same on screen, that you guys can see who it showed was the winner. It will also tell you in the comment section who is the winner, but we're gonna just need all of that data. So you guys are gonna have to be quick here. Start chatting. You need to be active. So make sure you just send a letter, send a W, send a peach, send something in the chat. You just need to be active. Let's get those guys. Let's get it going there, guys. Get those comments rolling. Get active in the chat. This isn't Virgin Active, but we actually make you money. So we're going to get there. Let's get it active, guys. Get going. Get going. All right. We're going to start off. I think Miles, choose a number there. A range for us, my brother. A range. What is the range?
22 to 175.
22 to 175. That's a very interesting range. Chad, are you ready, baby? Okay. So, Chad, what is going to happen now? Okay, yeah, I haven't started it yet, guys. But only when it starts, he chose the range, guys. It's not going to count. Any of these numbers you have sent now, it's not going to count yet. I didn't say start. He chose the range, but yeah. You guys need to listen, Chad. You need to listen, yeah, because you could have sent the number now which lands up winning, and then you've missed. So, 3, 2, 1. The range is 22 to 175. Hold on, yeah. Come on, Chad. We are waiting. We're trying to see. Oh, Turtle Trader. Turtle Trader, you are our winner.
Is that it?
No. Turtle Trader, you guys can see that was the guess. He is our winner. So Turtle Trader.
I like turtles.
Turtle Trader, send a message. You are here. Turtle Trader, you here, my brother? You didn't say start, Tommy. I did say start, my brother. I don't see how everyone else saw it and you didn't. Yeah, guy. Hey, Turtle Trader's even a mod. Oh, man, I know we went back and forth with this. You changed your name, if I'm correct. He is, yeah. Okay, Turtle Trader. I'm sure you know the process. If not, we're going to go back through the whole process afterwards, but we're just going to get it out the way. So that is 1 down, Chad. 1 down. Bonang, you are up, my brother. Do us a favor. Choose a number for us.
Okay.
What is the
number
range?
Let's do from 1 to 50.
1
Round
to
1,
50.
fight.
Alright.
Yes.
Very small range, guys. So you're going to have to be quick. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Jose Kakana, you are our winner. There we go, Jose. Are you here, Jose? Please stand up. I only realized now, guys, my apologies. I've been showing you guys that the winner was, and I only realized it was on Bonang's screen. But there we go, Jose, you are the winner. Are you here? Let's see. I'm here. Alright. Do you know the process? Again, otherwise just hang around. We will do the whole process at the end here for you guys. Okay, that's 2 down. Okay, Chad, the next range we're gonna do 300 to 500. 300 to 500. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's see what you guys have got there, Chad. I'm so confused, bro. Because I swear in the comment section now, I saw Nightbot say congratulations, but I haven't. There we go. Okay, I've got a winner now. Alright, team. There you go. Gerard, you are our winner. Gerard, please stand forward. Are you here, my brother? Gerard, are you here? Let's see. I'm here. There we go. Okay. So that is 3 in the bag, Chad. 3 in the bag. If you guys know the process, you guys can already start it. Otherwise, I say just hang on till the end and we'll do all of it. So that's 3, Chad. We got 7 more to go. Miles, what is your range number?
3,000 to 3,330.
3,000 to 3,333.
Yeah.
All right. Chad, 3, 2, 1, go, baby. Let's see who's gonna get it here, Chad.
It's a wide range.
Who's gonna get it? I think one of you guys can get it. I definitely think one of you can. Oh, Francois Birge. Oh. There we go, my brother. Frana, I know you know the process. Alright, Frana, just let me know you are still here, my brother. Where's Frana? Yo, Frana, where are you, my brother? Hey, there he is. Okay, you know Frana is here. So that is the 4th one, Chad. The 4th 5K. Okay, Bonang, what's your number range, my brother?
Right, let's do 100 to 900.
100 to 900. Yeah, Chad, you guys are gonna go for this one now. 100 to 900. Let's go. Yo.
Yo, we might not get a winner today, boys. $769 million.
Yeah. I think that's the biggest range you've ever had.
Yeah, possibly.
I'd take my head off to the guy that guesses this number right. Like, yo. There's so many choices. Like at this point, we already have had 700 guesses.
Yes.
700 guesses and no one's got it yet. That is a big range, Chad.
Right,
That is a big range.
That popcorn.
800 guesses.
No one is getting it.
All right, Chad. I'm gonna start giving you some hints. 300 is too low. 400 is too low. So already now that range is between 400 and 900.
Tough.
500 is too low. Oh, we got a winner, Chad. We got a winner. There we have it.
Tandulwet. Dlamini.
Are you here, my brother? I think Bonang knew I was not going to get that one right. Are you here, my brother?
What was the number? 596.
I'm here, buddy. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Again, if you guys know the process, you can already get started with it. Otherwise, I will tell you the whole process at the end of it. I do have the names all here, so you won't miss anyone. Okay, Chad, that is officially the halfway mark. We've still got 5 more to go for London session. Let's keep this ball rolling.
London?
Yeah.
We're doing 10 in London.
Chris said if we hit 200 likes, we're doing 10 in London and 5 in New York.
Wow.
So 10. All right, team. So let's go. Let's do 300 to 400. You guys are gonna be quick. Let's go, baby. 300 to 400.
Guys, head over to 2G's. Go win yourself a challenge.
300 to 400. Who's gonna get it? Hey, Jacques, are you here, my brother? Let us know.
Quick.
There we go. Jacques, are you here? There, I see Jacques still typing number. Oh, there we go. Yes, awesome, my brother. Okay, I'll say again, if you know the process, you can get started. Otherwise, just wait till the end and I'll do a rundown for everyone on how to do it. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 4 more, Chad. 4 more. Let's see who's going to be our next winner. Miles, what is your number range?
10,920 to 10,990.
10,909.
Now it's about those quick typing skills.
Okay, let's go, Chad. Let's go. 10,920 to 10,990.
Someone said 320.
Oh, Rian Foster.
Hey.
Please report to the front. You are our winner. There we go. That was the answer. 10,963 was
Well
the
done.
answer. Forsey, I'm sure you are here.
Yeah, he's here.
Yes, there we go. Perfect, perfect. Okay. Forsey, I'm sure you know it, but again, otherwise we will correct afterwards. Bonang, what is your range, my brother?
All right, let's do. Is 1 up to 10 doable?
1 to 10.
Yes.
Yeah, we can do 1 to 10. Yo, this is
Get
gonna
ready,
be
get ready, boys, get ready.
Okay, Chad, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. 1 to 10. Yo, Tano Peterson.
Quick one.
That was quick.
Hey, Chad, there we go. Tano Peterson. It was number 3. There we go. Literally in 1 second. So literally your first answer was the correct one. Tano Peterson. I'm here. There we go. Beautiful stuff. Making sure you guys are awake. So what does that leave us with? 2 more. Let me just check that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. Alright. Okay, team. Let's do 1 to 170. 3, 2, 1, go. Who's gonna get it, Chad? The last 2 5K accounts. Oh, Kamikaze. Are you here? Let us know. Kamikaze, are you here? I'm here. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful. The last one. The last one. Miles, what is the range?
Right, range, Chad. 69
69
to 169.
to 169. 3, 2, 1, go. Who's got it, team? Who's got it for the last 5K account giveaway?
Are dropping numbers. Are they not getting it? Tough.
Come on, guys. Come on. We're already at 400 guesses. No one's got this yet.
Yeah, the last one is a difficult one. I like it. Should be like that.
500
Easy come,
guesses.
easy go.
Guys are getting distracted by the 69 there.
600 guesses.
Come on, Chad, you got this.
690 guesses.
You got this, Chad. Let's go.
700 guesses.
I'll give you guys a clue. It's between 69.
Oh, ATM.
There we go.
Please stand up.
Congratulations.
ATM, you are our last winner, my brother.
GG's, bro.
That was the answer. 114. There we go. 114. ATM, please stand up, my brother. I know you should be here. Alright. Chad. But that is it. Let me confirm here. We have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 winners. Now, very, very simple stuff here, guys. For those that don't know, all you guys are going to need to do is very, very simply, you need to just message Vault. Let me just correct that there quickly. support@vaultfunder.trade. You're going to have to just send them a screenshot or a photo of your YouTube account name, just so they can see that you are the owner of that account, and then you will give them your details. If you do not have a Vault Funder account, you just need to create one. You don't have to trade, you don't have to buy an account. You just have to have an account, because that way we have to issue the account to that Vault Funder account. And it's simple as that. If you have any other questions, the support team will be able to answer and assist you guys. But again, just message support@vaultfunder.trade, and we will have, obviously, they will be on the lookout for those names. You just need to send them proof that you are the owner of that YouTube account, and then you can get your account. But guys, that was a lot of fun. Again, I really appreciate you guys. 17k, baby. 17k. We're at 236 likes. It is incredible, guys. We really, really appreciate all of it. But yeah, I think back for now. Ooh, we lost Bonang's camera. Yeah, where'd you go? Show and stream. There we go. Miles, are you in a trail or not?
Just the one that I took on Iron 2000, but the trade that I took,
That thing is out already, yeah?
MFX is, yeah, TP got smacked.
Alright, Bonang, and you still in your US30 trade?
Yes, I just added a few just on this pullback. Just added one more trade there, expecting this market to go and smash my TP. And remember, like I said, the market is bullish all the way to the top, so holding onto my trades is really much more safer for me. So I added a trade there, expecting that TP to be hit, and also expecting the other one to be hit. If you check very well, these are what we call these numbers, they round up. So you find out that actually the TP was hit, simple because when you place the line there, they round up to the nearest number. If you put 59, they put 68 or more, just to expand the TP. So somehow this TP was hit. So I added a trade there just to maintain my buys, to continually run those buys. So definitely I'm maintaining buys up until the New York opening session, and then we see how it goes. I think that's all from me, by the way.
Perfect. Yeah, Chad, I think we are going to finish it up there.
Yeah.
Keep in mind, guys, we are doing another 5k account giveaway in New York session, so you guys don't want to miss out for that one. But again, congrats to all of our winners. Thank you to every single one of you for 17k, for always joining in, supporting myself, Miles, Bonang, Chris, Ed, the whole team here. It really means the world to all of us.
Yeah.
So again, Chad, really, really appreciate the love. We're going to see you guys a little later for New York session. It is a short week to this week, so make sure you're here for New York. We've got basically London, New York tomorrow. Then Thursday we're out of office, and then Friday we're in office again. So it's a very mix and match week, but make sure you're here to benefit the most. Iron 2000 again, going out to all the XM guys today. So make sure your minimum requirements are met so that we can get that to you as quick as possible. You guys have seen you're missing out if you're not trading it yet. But Chad, that's going to be everything for myself and the team over here. Again, we're going to see you a little later. So take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby.
Thank you.
Chad.
Cheers. Salute,
Cheers, boys. Have a
everyone.
lekker one. Cheers.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain. Tonight, we gonna let it rain. Tonight, we gonna let it rain. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it rain. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain. Tonight, we gonna let it rain. Tonight, we gonna let it rain. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it
Can't find my way back to you. I'm lost again. I from all of this, I'm bulletproof. Nothing to lose. So break me. I'm falling hard, don't help me. I've been
Everything that brought me alive. Though we're all like monsters, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence without an alibi. Smoking gun, you got me on the run. We know that will come. We're out up till dawn, but how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Oh, we're all like monsters, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence without an alibi. 'cause I can't see you anywhere. 'Cause I don't wanna know where I should go, no, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, 'cause you know I will stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. I wanna find you. I wanna find you. Alone inside a crowd, 'cause I can't see you anywhere. 'Cause I don't wanna know where I should go, no, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, 'cause you know I will stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. I wanna find you. I wanna find you. I wanna find you.
Sink down and emotions feel like I never did before. Life shows him spoken, reels of the movie I ignored. Blue skies on a broken sea and I'm stuck up on the shore. I never thought you could see me, but you did. All I know is we're here, that they took us somewhere. So what they say we're called is falling out of line. They don't know the two of us are colorblind, yeah.